what wonderful things these airships could do. So I dedicated my life to the study of aeronautics. In 1913, I realized my dream of a grand airship, the first plane designed with an enclosed cockpit and cabin, powered by 4 engines. After the Great War, I emigrated to America. Here, like so many others, I found the confirmation of my hopes. Always at the back of mind was the helicopter. Nothing could come as close to fulfilling mankind's ancient dream of the flying horse and the magic carpet. In autumn 1939, I donned my favorite fedora and climbed into my latest helicopter. We lifted, only for a few minutes, but the essentials were right. The dream had become real. By the summer of 1942, the United States military had its first working helicopters. helicopter would be an outstanding vehicle for the greatest variety of life-saving missions. I have the satisfaction of knowing that this proved to be true. And we are not through, as long as we let our imaginations take us beyond the impossible. Even a little boy in Russia knows that. Creative work is still with us. It's here to stay, a tremendously vital factor in the progress of mankind. The work of the individual still remains the spark that moves mankind ahead.